Ganyan, oo.
We have our dead zone at 29.2, including the circuit. Live load is 58.4 kPm. So our WU ultimate is 1.2 times 29.20 plus 1.6 of
Ilang speed, eh?
4 and then our MU, I mentioned then, is that. What do we need? Our BN is equal to 0.6 of your FY. Area somewhere times the exact CV. And for us to check CV, we need our age over somebody else. I think this is the same age to someone. I hope I remember right.
Hmm?
You know, nani siya third grade. Very small curvature, no? Just to para lang wala yung stress din. So, wala yung shearing din ito. Naman siya ito na yung curve yan. And then that age is from the location here, no? Location there. Ito way it's yung curve. And then this one is your age. And then this value here is your age.
Ano kayo? Ganyan, eh?
This is the age here. And then sa ganda para 2.21. 2.24. 2.24 square root of T over your M1. And then if that's the condition, then our CV is 1. Okay? So, just looking for my diagram.